Ever wondered how you can take silken tofu to the next level? Silken tofu is soft and delicate, but with just a few simple ingredients, in this case, chicken and salted fish, you can turn it into a hearty, mouth-watering dish. This simple dish might just change the way you think about quick and easy weeknight meals. Here is what you need for this dish. Soft silken tofu, salted fish, garlic, chicken breast, or you can use chicken thighs here, spring onions, corn flour. For this dish, buying the right tofu is important. So let me show you the common types of tofu that are available in the supermarkets and which to choose for this dish. This is tau kwa, which is firm tofu, and not the one that we want. This is tau pok, a deep fried tofu that acts like a sponge that soaks up a lot of gravy. Fantastic flavor. But this is not the one we want either. This is soft tofu. It usually comes in a plastic box for protection because it's so fragile. There are many types of soft tofu here, but they are all about the same. So just pick one that has the nicest packaging. For the chicken, dice the chicken up into about 1 to 2 cm cubes. I'm using chicken breast here, and it's rather thick. Split the chicken breast up horizontally. A little tip here. Put your chicken breast at the edge of the chopping board rather than in the center. It will be difficult to put your knife in a horizontal position when the chicken is in the middle of the chopping board, as there's not much knuckle clearance. Cut the chicken with your hands off the chopping board. Flatten and tenderize it by smacking it a few times with the broadside of your knife. Pound it with the back of your knife if your knife is not broad enough. I'm using chicken breast here because it's much easier to dice than chicken thighs. Of course, you can use chicken thighs or any other parts of the chicken you like. Next, marinate the chicken with some light soy sauce and corn flour. Give all this a good mix and set it aside. Now for the salted fish. Salted fish generally comes in two forms.
Dried salted fish comes in several forms. This is the sliced one. This is in cubes. And they even have the dried ones that come whole. But what we are looking for now is the one that's packed in oil. Yep, this is it. This is salted fish packed in oil. It's also called xiang salted fish.
We are using the ones that are packed in oil today. This salted fish is quite soft, so just break it up into smaller pieces. If there are bones, remove them. Give your garlic a rough chop and separate the white and green parts of the spring onions. For the sauce, in some water, add light soy sauce, sugar, oyster sauce, Chinese cooking wine. To cook, put your tofu onto a serving plate. Next, put your pan over a medium heat. When the pan is hot, add in some oil. And when the oil is hot, add in your salted fish. Fry the salted fish till it's fragrant. This should take about a minute or so. And when the salted fish is fragrant, dish it out and set it aside. Next, add a little more oil if the pan is too dry. Add in the chicken. Lay the chicken out in one layer at the bottom of the pan. Fry the chicken till the bottom is golden brown. This should take about 2 to 3 minutes. When it's brown, add in the garlic and the white parts of the spring onions. Toss and fry the other side of the chicken. When the chicken is cooked, pour in the sauce. And bring the sauce to a boil. Let it continue to boil and let it reduce uncovered till about 2 or 3 tablespoons of sauce is left at the bottom of the pan. The gravy would have taken up slightly as well, as we use corn flour to marinate the chicken. Return the salted fish to the pan. Mix it well. Then, taste and adjust for seasoning. It should taste a little saltier than usual, as the sauce accompanies the tofu, which does not have much flavor. To plate, grab your tofu. You may notice that some water has leached out of the tofu by now. Just pour that water away. Then, top the tofu with the prepared ingredients. Garnish with the green parts of the spring onions. This tofu and chicken with salted fish dish comes together in just a few minutes. It's super nutritious and packed with flavor. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so that you will not miss any of these recipes. Check out one of these videos for even more easy and delicious ideas. And I'll see you in my next video.